Welcome to the Afterspin. Opinions from thought leaders in our state. Bob Orr, a judge, held up granting permits for fracking in our state on the grounds that the commission formed to make those grants may not be properly constituted and should await the decision over whether the legislature exceeded its constitutional authority in forming the commission. But it also opens up the question as to whether or not the rules the fracking commission formulated are constitutional. What do you think, and where do things stand on this case?
Well, on June 30th, the North Carolina Supreme Court will hear arguments in McCrory versus Berger, which is the challenge to the Coal Ash Commission and two others involving the legislative appointment of a majority of the commission members. How the court decides will dictate in part what happens on the fracking issue. But if the court rules ultimately for the governor that the legislative appointees, or at least appointing majority was unconstitutional, then the question is the decision applied prospectively or retroactively? I think it should be prospective, and any acts by the commission up to that point would be acceptable.
So in that case, the rules that they have formulated would stand. They haven't granted any permits at this point, as I understand it. So from that standpoint, any new grants or permits that they issued would have to come from a new commission? If in fact the governor prevails.
Yes, there would need to be new appointments, and the new commission could readopt the rules. But existing rules or existing actions arguably could be upheld under a de facto official theory, which hopefully the Supreme Court would resolve.
Are you involved in this case as a lawyer?
I'm filing an amicus brief on behalf of a third party.
So it wouldn't be fair to ask you which way you would come down if you were sitting on that court.
Well, I would come down
on
behalf
all
of
right.
the governor.
Yeah, of course you would. Well, thank you for watching the Afterspin. We'll have more video all during the week on ncspin.com.